Today I want to show you the small tulip profile rib. Now, so I use this profile rib and it makes this shape right here in 10 centimeters or in 8 centimeters. And so for this, I would use anywhere from 3/4 of a pound all the way to about a pound on this one. If I'm making something that's like a small mug type shape or a small vase. But then if you're gonna do a wide bowl, like if I have a wide bat, like from the tile spinner like this on there, it might be anywhere up to a couple pounds of clay. Let me show you how it's made. Okay, so first thing is you get it kind of in the middle. If it's off, don't worry about it. Like if it's, say it's over here. Oh no, just kind of move it to the center. Now on this tile spinner, you wanna make sure the tile is not wet at all, because these are glazed tiles, so if it's wet, it's just gonna slide off. If it's dry, it's gonna stick on there, and you just cone it up once. Cone it up, you take your hands, you kind of squeeze them together, force that clay up like that. And then you push it back down like this. And now that is really stuck on there. Centering is the hardest part. So if it takes you a while to get it, don't be frustrated. So I got my nice center there. I clean up the edge. And I put a little hole in the top, right like that. Gonna fill that little hole with water. Gonna go down a little bit deeper. Gonna fill that hole with water again. And now I'm gonna V it out. I'm gonna take my hands are on the side. I'm just gonna make a V shape. So it makes like that kind of a shape in that hole. And I'm about a 1/2 inch from the base. Okay, I'm getting a little more water, and now I'm gonna take this thumb right here, and I'm gonna push it laterally this way, right like that. This is where that overhead camera would have been really helpful. Now I'm gonna take a wooden rib, a nice slippery wooden rib, with the wall on. You're always throwing on this quadrant of the wheel if you're throwing right-handed counterclockwise. Pushing that down, getting nice and flat. Flatten out that base. Okay. And oh, I forgot. This is a little bit more than 1.5 pounds. This is 1.8 pounds. I'm gonna do a 1.1 pound, 4 ounces. And I'm gonna collar it in, which means make a little volcano. And now, here's the magic here. You take your finger, maybe with the sponge on it, and you dig in down here. You dig in, and this hand is pushing out just a little bit. And how we get this wall to come up is you're holding your hands together and the distance between your fingers, just like this. So let me show you. You slow the wheel down, and now I'm pushing up and in. I'm just keeping those fingers together. See that? And then you go up. You want to finish off your pass all the way at the top. Then you compress the lip, just like that. That's one pass. Let's do another one. Actually, that's probably already the right height, or almost. We'll go a little higher here, just so we'll go out a little bit wider too. Okay, so I'm gonna go out like this. That's bigger than this one, I think. That's just about right. Okay, good. Okay, got some water in the base there. I'm gonna clean up that water, get that water out of there. Okay, now I'm gonna introduce the profile rib. So I'm gonna put it against here, and I'm just gonna push it out from the inside out. I'm holding the rib firm, and I'm pushing from the inside out against the rib. Okay, so it does make kind of a yucky sound. I'll give you that. But then there we go. That is the small tulip rib. The profile that we used was 10 centimeters, but we also have it in 8, and then the large tulip rib, we have it in 12 and 14 centimeters. So you can get it pretty big. If it's wide, you can get it pretty big and wide, so enough for a potted plant of sorts. Now I'm gonna just take this off here just like that with the pry tool, and there we are. That is our little tulip rib. I'm MJ at Outpost Pottery. We're here to help you learn to make pottery.